Good morning, students. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey. I am your history teacher. Students, in my earlier class, I had discussed about the chapter 2nd of history. The name of the chapter was King, Farmer, and Town. In my earlier class, students, I had discussed about the 16th Mahajanpada and their related kingdom with their economies. Now, students, today I am going to discuss about the Magad and Maurya Empire. So, first I am going to discuss about the Magad Empire. Students, Magad is one of the ancient kingdom of 16th Mahajanapada. Students, the sources where we get knowledge about the 16th Mahajanpad was the famous Bauddha epic Angyutta Nikaya and Jain epic Bhagavati Sutra. These were the sources during the 6th century BC from where we get knowledge about the 16th Mahajanpad and about the religion like Buddhism and Jainism. Students, during the 6th century BC, Magad was very powerful kingdom and powerful kingdom and it played an important role in the development of Jainism and Buddhism. How the Jainism and Buddhism developed in Magad, because in the reign period of Bimbisara, which were related from the Haryak dynasty during 6th century BC, Bimbisara ruled over Magad from 544 BCE to 492 BC, and his capital was during that time Rajagriha or Grivraj. Later on it became Patliputra, now modern day Patna. Bimbisara has a son. The name of his son was Ajatasattu. He is also known as Konik. The other name of Ajatasattu was Konik. Students, Patliputra established by the Udayin. The reign period of Udayin was 460 BCE to 444 BCE. In Magad, Mauryan Empire and Gupta Empire both were originated. The kingdom of Magad, before its expansions, corresponded to the modern districts of Patna, Jahanabad, Nalanda, Aurangabad, Arwal, Nawada, and Gaya in southern Bihar. These were the districts, they including all known as Magad. It was bounded, the geographical boundary of Magad In the northern side, it was bounded by the Ganga river, and from the east, it was bounded by the river Champa. On the south, by Chota Nagpur Plateau, and on the west, by the Son River. The expansions of Magad Empire, as you saw in this map, it has expanded from Patliputra to the Ujjain. Ujjain nowadays in Madhya Pradesh. Vidisha is also in Madhya Pradesh. Then Kaushambi, Varanasi, Vaishali, Patliputra, Champa, Rajgrih, etc. These were the total expansion of Magad Empire during the 6th century BCE. Students, after discussing about Magad Empire, now we will proceed through to Maurya Empire. Students, the Maurya Empire has also a story of their origin. As students, as we students, we all know about the famous author of Arthashastra. The name of that famous author was Chanakya. During the 326 BC, when Sikandar came in India on the bank of Jhelum river, after the winning streak over the Porus, he also wanted to expand his journey to win all over India. In that time, Chanakya wanted to help of Sikandar to defeat at that time's ruler of Magad. The name was the ruler of Magad that time, Ghananand. But Sikandar denied to help of to Chanakya. After that, Chanakya started to gathering their army in the leadership of Chandragupta Maurya. After that, with the help of Chanakya, Chandragupta Maurya defeated Ghanand and founded Mauryan dynasty, Maurya Empire. The Maurya Empire was geographically extensive. Iron is historical power in India. Mauryan Empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya in 322 BC, and the reign period of Chandragupta Maurya was 321 BCE to 297 BC. Era of Mauryan Empire was from 322 BCE to 185 BCE. 185 BCE. Students, this is the map of total Maurya Empire. But when we saw the empire Empire of Maurya during the reign period of Ashoka is totally different from this map. This map shows the Empire of Maurya during the reign period of Ashoka. From north in Takshashila and at the bank of Kaveri in south, Pataliputra, and later extended Pataliputra in east and Patida in west. In west, this is the total boundary of Mauryan Empire during the reign period of Ashoka. But now first we will centralize over the Mauryan Empire by the Indo-Gangetic plain, and capital was located at the Pataliputra, modern Patna. Bindusar, after the death of Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar became the king. The name of Bindusar in Greek, he also known as Amitrochates, which means in Sanskrit Amitraghat. In brief, we know that the destroyer of enemy. He ascended the throne about 298 BCE. The name Amitraghat perhaps reflects his successful campaign in Deccan. After the campaign in Deccan, he named as Amitraghat. The last major emperor and powerful emperor of Mauryan dynasty was Ashoka. Ashoka also Ashoka. The reign period of Ashoka was from 272 BC to 231 BC. 272 BC to 231 BC. This was the reign period of Ashoka. After the war of Kalinga, which were held during the 7th year of their throne, Ashoka adopted a policy of dharma. The policy of dharma means the principle of right life. He renounced his sword. He renounced his arms after the Kalinga battle. The last ruler of Mauryan Empire was Brihadrath. He was killed by his own commander Pushyamitra Sung. When he was killed by Pushyamitra Sung founded a new dynasty, a new empire. The name of that empire was Sung Empire. Sung Empire. The founder of Sung Empire was Pushyamitra Sung. Students, about the Sung Empire and others, we will discuss about them in our next class. Okay, students, thank you.